Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
So I don't know if this is gonna work. Put this chair here, put enough space to walk in. Then I'm gonna put the tree right here in front of this window. I had it here a few years ago, but we never had this much seating arrangement. And this chair had just kind of slanted because no one really sits here. And then I pushed this big couch all the way. There's no entrance from that point over here. It's just gonna have to work for Christmas because there's nowhere to put that massive tree. And then I have two trees over there, so I don't want the tree, the big tree that's going here, to clash with those two trees over there. Those are gold. Those are gonna be gold tree. This room is gonna be gold, and this room is gonna be traditional. So I want everything from here to be just neutral and just doesn't clash. So if I would have put the tree, the big tree here that I've always put up every year, right here in the space, I feel like it would clash with the space. So separating it from the space and having everything over here, and then with the pillows, with this turned to the back of this, I feel like it's kind of hard to everything to move into this space, if that makes any sense, because my house is one big open layout. It's a hot mess, but you come in. Let me show y'all the view when you come in. So when you come in, you have this space, which is going to be beautifully decorated, and I don't want this space to clash with this, and you're like, whoa, what's going on? So you notice the back of the chair creates a separation from the room. And then I'm going to remove that lamp because I don't need that lamp there. But right now, the chair is right there, beautiful. And then the big tree, I'm going to probably put it not in the middle of the thing. I don't know. I just want it to be visual. I'm probably gonna have to move Jojo's food and stuff to a different area for him, but it's gonna be right there, and it's a big tree.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Okay, sorry. Put the tree up, but then I had to get on Zoom to say bye to my mom. Then I had all the grandkids come in and say goodbye, played her favorite song. I sang her favorite song to her, and played another favorite song of her, and in the middle of playing her favorite song, her heart stopped and she was gone. So my mom's gone. COVID took her. It's not fair, but what can you do? So if you can keep our family in your prayers, I would really appreciate it. I like to document this moment so that I can look back on it. I created an environment Here come my husband. My siblings are on the phone.
Why everybody leave you?
Is she the only one on there?
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter